Talofa guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be making a garlic rice, guys. I know one of my favorite rice is garlic rice. Okay, my first one is leisa popo and then the second one is garlic rice, and then that beautiful fried rice that I get from Forever. Anyway guys, gotta have to I don't want it that high up. Yeah, so I want it on a slow heat because I don't want to burn my garlic. See, I've chopped up 8 cloves of garlic and I put oil in it. So, come out. Yeah. So you got to cook down this garlic till it's nice and brown. You don't want it to get, yeah, just don't have the oven up too high, because then it will just burn fast, and you want to soften it and cook it nice, you know. Don't worry guys, I've got my glasses on, so if it spits, I'm protected. Next minute it spits on my double chin. Guys, I got a new ring light. My daughter ordered it for me because see how nice and bright, you can actually see me now. You can actually see how ugly I look. Hey, stop it. Yeah guys, because the square box that I have, even though it gives you those the ring lights on your glasses, you know, it's much brighter, not like my square box, you know, because I always think too dark, and then my videos become like really dark. Yeah, so the garlic is turning brownish, guys. When it turns a nice golden brown, that's when you add your rice. I know it looks like like a lot of oil so far, but no, well, it will be by the rice. I'll add the rice now. It's a cooked rice, plain rice. So, wait. Oh, it's having a bit of attitude. Anyway. Oh, it's a little spitter. Excuse you. Don't spit. I'll turn it even down on it. So, add salt. It seems like a lot of salt. Hopefully it's not. A little bit of pepper. The rice is like sucking up all the oil that was there. Yeah, so you just want to warm the rice through, guys. Oh yeah. So I'll turn this off. Ta-da! And I'll turn the safety latch up. So anyway guys, I got me some lettuce, some iceberg lettuce, and I've got this to eat it with. I want a KFC guys, but never mind. So today I softly cooked me some like pork ribs, you know, but the short ones guys, not the big enormous ones. So so that's what the rice looks like guys. Garlic rice. Nice. Anyway, I got this drink. It's Yoga Vera. It's a melon type. You guys, my ASMR. Oh, left your ASMR last year. Anyway, guys, it's a melon drink. Cheers. Wait, guys, Faye. There's the pork. I slowly cooked it today. Slowly. Anyway, gotta rip this apart, get it ready, because it's time to eat, guys. Didn't take long to cook, didn't take long. But anyway, I gotta do my prayer, guys. So, why I bought this lettuce, guys, because I wanna, you know, put the rice in it, and get some of the pork. Excuse me. This one's got a chunk of blubber. Hey. Get another one. Got a chunk of blubber. But don't worry, not to worry, guys. Anyway, I'm going to roll it up like a joint. No, I'm going to roll it up, guys, which I already have. And then I'm going to take a bite. No, hang on, wait. Hold the brakes, hold the brakes. So, yeah. So, yeah, take a bite, guys. You still see the steam coming up. Okay. So I slow boiled the pork pieces. I chopped it all up, slow boiled it, and I added all my Asian flavors from my pantry, which was some chili sauce, soy sauce, a little bit of sesame, just a little bit, and fish oil, no, fish sauce, the Thai fish sauce, salt and pepper, the pork is actually nice, pork really soft. Excuse those people that don't like pork. Oh, this one's got a bone in it. Okay. You want it like that? This is so easy to make. This is so easy to make, guys. It's so easy to make, and it makes the rice so tasty. I'm gonna eat it with KFC, but no one wants to go get it. And then if I did get it, it's with menu log. Menu log. Hey, menu log. You wanna sponsor me? No. This is such a nice rice. Whoever came up with this idea to make this rice, the original, whoever made this, must have just had garlic and rice left in their pantry, and came up with this lovely flavor put together. Ooh, this pork is just so soft, melt in your mouth once, you know. Look at that big chunky pork. Stop it. I'll take this bit off. Oh, have another bite, guys. It's so nice. Some of the garlic I can taste is a bit burnty. That's okay, guys, because you ain't gonna, you know, like fall down and, you know, collapse it. Yeah, I haven't been putting up any videos, eh? Yeah. I've been watching Undercover Boss. Yeah, but I watched about 5 today. Yeah, I watched like 5 episodes today. And when the bosses, the undercover bosses, when they give out their gifts, eh? And just to see the excitement on their staff members' faces, like they've just changed their life. So touching, so touching. You know? I mean, why not? Why not reward your staff members, eh? Because they're the ones that, you know, lift up your business. Very nice. Guys, I hope you guys are alright. You know? Well, I've been watching all the commotion that's happening over in America. So sad, man. So sad that, you know, it takes the whole world to try and say enough is enough police brutality. You know, I hope they make a change. I hope they make a change. Because, guys, it's about time. It's about time. You know, so many people have lost their lives over excessive force, brutality from the police. You know, not necessary, guys, because we're all human beings. All human beings. Trying to rush this down so I can tell you what happened today. Guys, I dropped my camera. So I hope it's recording, you know. I could see it's recording, but I didn't know. For all I know, I could go and edit and fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Oh, what about, there was a boss. He bought a house for one of the staff. What was it? It was like a burger joint or chicken joint or something. But the girl, her staff member, she worked there with her husband. And the boss gave them a brand new house to go and call it their own, you know. Because they had a notice that they had to move out I think the next day. And the boss offered this generous offer for them. I thought, oh, bless his loving heart. I just wanted to show you guys that you can make this and eat it any way you want. Even if you can have it with KFC, or have it like this, give you some pork, meat, chicken, whatever. Get you some lettuce, wrap it up. Delicious. Anyway, guys, I better go inside and hang out with my mom. I watched a movie. She's watching Mission Impossible. Okay, you know what that little guy, Tom Cruise. I call him little, and he'll be a lot taller than me. That's for sure. Everyone's taller than me. Sad. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys have a really safe weekend. take care. Nice to come back and say hello to you guys. Yep, I want to take the rest and give my husband a taste and see if he likes it. You probably have one little complaint about it. I don't know what it is, but every time he has a little complaint about something, I always say, I will never save you anymore. But I always do. I don't know. I love sharing food with my husband, but sometimes he has to hold out on me, guys. He has to hold out on me. Rude. Anyway, guys, you all take care. Always care for each other, you know, your family members, care for one another. And don't forget, always send thanks to a loving God. You know, guys, things are really looking bad. You know, the things in the Bible, it's happening before our very eyes. So, each one of us has to decide what we're going to do. Otherwise, we miss out. You know, if you know, you know. Anyway, yeah, hold up. Behave yourselves, okay? Don't be naughty. Have a good weekend. Have a beautiful weekend. Safe weekend. God bless. Thank you for watching my channel, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Wailua. Oh, I saw someone say, everywhere I go, I see your comment. And I thought, yes, you will see my comment, because I love going around watching tubers, or anyone's video, you know. If I see the thumbnail is like catchy, I'll push on it and I'll watch, you know. Sometimes I don't always give a comment, but I would push the like button, you know, just to show my support. Sometimes I can't keep my opinions to myself, so I will leave a little message. That's why people see me on comments. That was one naughty comment. Someone tried to be rude to me. But anyway, I thought, oh well, I must have been a 10-year-old. I would not engage with that, even though I said, are you 10 years old? That's my fight. I said, are you 10 years old? And that was it. And then he said something else, and I would not respond to that rude reply. Anyway, I've got a sort. Okay, guys, take care. Wailua. And this food's nice. I'm not joking. Anyway, try cooking this, guys. Try cooking it, but don't burn your garlic, because some of the garlic here got burnt. So it's my food, so I'll eat it burnt and all. I love fried garlic or fried onions. Ia whāsoi fua. Kia manuia.